procession of trucks carrying vital ingredients ensures the Coca-Cola facility operates at max.
Okay, let me see the manifest. Everything looks correct. You can proceed.
Beverage ingredient handling, purified water is transferred from tanker trucks through sanitary pipes, monitored
criteria.
The cinnamon bark is intact, and the paperwork aligns with the shipment manifest.
utilizing sand filters, carbon filters, and reverse osmosis membranes. The system progressively removes
State-of-the-art monitoring ensures the treated water in these tanks remains absolutely pristine until needed.
Using both visual inspection and analysis.
Transferred to the main processing area via enclosed systems, maintaining purity and preventing contamination.
Using advanced titration equipment, the syrup's acidity is measured and adjusted to precise levels, essential for both flavor and preservation.
Syrup is homogenized to ensure uniform distribution of all components throughout the batch.
Por Inels a Pieruv.
The carbonated water temperature is precisely controlled to maintain optimal carbonation levels. Cooling systems maintain exact temperature parameters.
recertations. Our temperature management urged to exact specifications in max.
The system maintains exact pressure on the beverage to preserve carbonation levels. This prevents CO2 loss that would affect product quality.
Pressure differentials across the filters indicate their condition and effectiveness in real time.
Empty bottles and cans are conditioned to optimal temperature before filling to prevent thermal shock.
With digital controls and precision valves, the flow rate is optimized for precise filling volumes based on container size and line speed.
Molten black glass is rapidly molded and blown into shape.
Utilizing high-speed optical sensors, the system rapidly inspects each container. Any detected flaws result in immediate pneumatic rejection from the line. Quality verification ensures wrapping quality and stability. Labels are checked before the pallet is approved for storage or shipping.
All right, keep it coming back slow. Easy now. And hold it right there. Perfect. Set the brake. Easy on the left. Manifest check complete. That pallet is good to go. Copy that. Move into the staging. All right, hold it right there. Easy down. Watch the back left. Perfect.
So this section here confirms the load.
Right, I'm just cross-referencing the quantities listed on the manifest.
Everything checks out, you're good to go.
All clear. Pull forward.
All right, paperwork checks out. You're clear to exit. Thanks, appreciate it. Have a good day.
Where do you want this first pallet? Just set it right inside the back room door for now. That pallet checks out. Bring the next one down. Copy that. Moving that. Moving it now.
That completes the transaction.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.